Hello family, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we do a little bit of being a super mom, being a super wife, and also being a super you. Today we're gonna learn how to do an Italian lasagna, and I hope you will enjoy it. Kindly, if it's your first time to be in my YouTube account, kindly make sure you subscribe and share, and also like. And if you'll be interested also, you can kindly also click the bell. And anytime I upload any new video, you'll be the first one to be notified. So let's go! The ingredients that we need to prepare the lasagna. You need the vegetables. You can have different type of them according to the one that you like. So for me, I have the onion, the carrots, the garlic, and some other ingredients. Some other vegetables. You can have several types of them, and you can have the one that you want. We also have the prosciutto. It's the prosciutto. Some people maybe don't like to eat with prosciutto, so you can prepare. I will show you also how to prepare without the prosciutto. For those people who don't like the prosciutto, the pig, that is, for those people who don't like the pig meat. The other one is the bechamel, and you have your lasagna over here, and also the tomato paste, and the minced meat. For my minced meat, I like first to soak it with salt to remove all the blood from the meat. And also we have the cheese. This is the mozzarella cheese, a double of it. And also in here, it's where we will prepare our lasagna. So we will go right ahead and cut our mozzarella cheese into small pieces. I'm gonna heat the sufria. You need a little bit of cooking oil. Here we go. You can also use the olive oil if you want, so just a little bit of it. And when the oil is hot, you will add the minestrone. So there is the carrots, onion, and other ingredients. Our onion is cooked, and now we're gonna add the tomato paste. That's the one that I'm using for my pasta, the pomodoro. It's 700 mg. I'm gonna use everything. So we're gonna reduce the heat. We do it with 5. Go ahead and prepare the mozzarella. We cut it into small pieces. So there is our mozzarella cheese. Now we will go right ahead. Now we will check our tomato sauce and the vegetable if it's ready. And yes, it's very red and very creamy, and so it's ready. So we will go right ahead and add our minced meat inside. Since I had put some salt to soak the meat, to remove all the blood from the meat, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash the meat, and after I'm gonna add it into the sauce and cook for around 10 to 15 minutes to make sure the meat is well cooked. So we will go right ahead and add all the minced meat inside, and then we stir, and it smells so nice. Make sure you stir it very well. Make sure it mixes so good. And you're gonna cover it for 10 more minutes. So our tomato sauce is ready. So we're gonna start to prepare the lasagna itself. So we're gonna start to prepare our lasagna. You need a little bit of the olive oil, just a little bit, and you put a little bit of tomato sauce, just to make sure the lasagna don't hold down. You spread it so good. Make sure it's spread everywhere. And after you take your lasagna, you can cut at the edges, this corner and this corner, just to make sure it fits on the thing you use it on the pan. Also the other side, you do the same. And so I'm gonna put that there, and your lasagna gonna be like that. You just have to cut the edges to make sure it takes the shape of the pan or of the thing that you're using to cook. So we're gonna continue to make our lasagna. After you put the lasagna down, you put 3 scoops of the tomato sauce and the minced meat. Then after you add the bechamel, I normally use the whole of the bechamel. So you put good quantity, as much as you want. And after you mix very well, you put it equally, everything same. After you add your mozzarella, several slices of mozzarella. Here it depends with how much you like the mozzarella. If you love it more, so the more you put it. After that, we add the prosciutto. Make sure it's well spread. Also for the prosciutto, it depends how much you like it. Some people don't like so much, other people love so much. So I will put a little bit more of it because my husband loves the prosciutto so much. After you're gonna repeat the same rotation, you put the lasagna, you cut at the edges of the lasagna, just to make sure it's taking the shape of the container that you're using to cook. And also we're gonna restart our oven as we're preparing here. You put the scoop, but it depends with the size of the container you're using to cook with. So I will use 3 scoops of the lasagna, of the tomato sauce. I add my bechamel. Then I mix the same level. Then I'm gonna add my mozzarella, and then I'm gonna put my prosciutto. Okay, there we go. So I'm gonna repeat the last layer. I normally do it into 3 layers. The same process. Cut at the edges. The last layer. It is almost finishing. And because it's the top layer, I'm not gonna add the prosciutto. I'm just gonna add the bechamel and the cheese. So I open here to make sure I finish everything in the box. I'm gonna go ahead and mix the same process. So now we're gonna add a little bit of the last cheese. So our oven is hot enough, and so I put it at 180. So we're gonna cross, and we're gonna wait for 30 to 35 minutes, and then we're gonna check if it's ready. So we're gonna check our lasagna now, because it's already 35 minutes, and that's our lasagna. So let's have a taste. So this is the lasagna. This is the final touches, and I just put it on the plate, and my son is already eating. And how do you say about the lasagna? You love it? You like it? Ah, that's awesome. Wow, that's good. So my son love it, and I love it too. It's very nice. And I hope you guys, you can also try. It's very nice also for the kid. You can do it also for your kids, and I'm 100% sure they will enjoy it. Okay guys, that's all about today. I hope you have all enjoyed, and that also you're gonna try to make yourself an Italian lasagna. So if you have enjoyed this, don't forget to give it a thumb up, and also to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, and see you soon. Bye. Love you all.